Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Right? In the coming to the our session, in the previous session we discussed Ramos vegetable field. Okay, he has totally 9 equal parts. Okay, 9 parts are there, equal parts. In that he grown up that 5 different types of vegetables. Okay, now in the next session, in this session we are going to discuss that whatever he got the vegetables, Ramu, whatever he got the vegetables, so he want to distribute to his friends also. He has the 3 friends. One is Abu Bakr, and second one is Rija, and third one is Nancy. Here they given some parts. Abu Bakr got how many parts of tomatoes and potatoes, and as well as Rija also got some tomatoes and potatoes, and even the rest of the things. Whatever they both got, Abu Bakr and Rija, the leftover part will get Nancy. So now let us discuss here. Observing the page number 59, there are here these are the vegetables: tomatoes and as well as potatoes. Tomatoes and potatoes. Out of these tomatoes and out of these potatoes, Abu Bakr got some parts of tomatoes and as well as potatoes, and Srija got some tomatoes and some potatoes. The rest of the Nancy got. Now let us discuss here by counting here in this. Total tomatoes are total tomatoes are while counting you will get there are 20 tomatoes are there, and as well as potatoes are, which is nothing but how many potatoes are 4 16 4 8 12, 16 and totally 18 are there. So here there are 20 tomatoes are there, 18 potatoes are there. Out of these, whatever he have, this 20 tomatoes and 18 tomatoes, he distributed to, he gave to his friends. Abu Bakr got 1/5 of these tomatoes. Out of 20 tomatoes, 1/5 parts Abu Bakr got. And as well as 1/3 part of potatoes. Now we are going to discuss Abu Bakr's share. Abu Bakr's share. Clear? His share is, we are going to discuss now. Now Abu Bakr's share is equal to. So tomatoes is how many he got? 1/5 part. So he got 1/5 part of tomatoes. So which is nothing but 1/5. Now see this here. There are totally 20 are there. So I want to get in the denominator as 20. To get 20 in the denominator, you should multiply with 4 in the denominator. Again, you should multiply in the numerator also. So 1 into 4 by 5 into 4, which is nothing but 4/20. So totally how many tomatoes you will get? So therefore total tomatoes Abu Bakr got. Abu Bakr got is equal to how many? 4 tomatoes. Totally he got only 4. See this here, out of 20, 4/20 is nothing but 1/5 part. So out of 20, he got 4 tomatoes. Now coming to the as well as you need to find out potatoes also. So now let us find out the how many potatoes you will get. 1/3 part of total potatoes. How many potatoes are there totally here? There are totally 18 potatoes are there. Out of 18 potatoes, 1/3 part of potatoes Abu Bakr got. So now we are going to discuss. See this here. Observe clearly. Now, so he got 1/3 part of potatoes. So which is implies 1/3 part of 18. That is, we need to get 18 in the denominator. 18 in the denominator. To get 18 in the denominator, we should multiply 3 with 6. So denominator and numerator you can multiply with 6. You will get 18 in the denominator. So 6 ones are 6 by 6 threes are 18. So out of 18, how many potatoes you will get? So therefore he got who Abu Bakr got 4 tomatoes and 6 potatoes. This is clear, my dears? So now in the same way we are going to find out Srija's share also. Clear? Did you understand here? Right. So now we need to find out Srija's share also. Right? You please note down this in your classwork. Let us discuss Srija's share also. Right, children. So here Abu Bakr got how many potatoes? So Abu Bakr got 4 tomatoes and 6 potatoes. Now let us discuss Srija's share. Okay. Now Srija got how many parts? 2 by 5 parts of tomatoes and 3 by 6 part of potatoes. Clear? So now we are going to find out 2 by 5 part of tomatoes. Okay. Now see this here, tomatoes. Now 2 by 5 part of tomatoes is equal to tomatoes, which is implies 2 by 5 of how many are there? 20. How many are there total tomatoes? There are 20 tomatoes here. So which is implies 2 into 4 by 5 into 4, which is nothing but 8 by 20. Okay. So 2 by 5 part of tomatoes equal to how many tomatoes? 8 tomatoes. And as well as 3 by 6 part of potatoes. 3 by 6 part of potatoes. So 3 by 6 is equal to 3 into 3 divided by 6 into 3. Why we should multiply 3? Because there are totally 18 potatoes are there. So to get 18 in the denominator, we will multiply with 3. So which is implies 9 by 18. Now observe these two here. Out of 20, 8 tomatoes Srija got, and as well as out of 18 potatoes, 9 potatoes Srija got. So therefore, Srija got 8 tomatoes and 9 potatoes. Is this clear, my dears? Clear? So now the rest of things Nancy got. Here they did not give any how many parts Nancy got. From this only we can find out how many potatoes, how many tomatoes Nancy will get. You please note down this. So now here, so Srija got how many are there? So Srija got 8 tomatoes and 9 potatoes. Clear, my dears? So now here Nancy, what are the rest of things Nancy got? Okay, how many tomatoes, how many potatoes Nancy will get? You can add these two and subtract from the total tomatoes. You will get whatever the Nancy got. And as well as here, add these two potatoes. Okay, you need to subtract from the total potatoes. You will get Nancy got. Okay, now see this here. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Circle Abu Bakr's share in blue and circle Srija's share in yellow. Okay, now. So now total Abu Bakr and Srija got the tomatoes is equal to, which is implies how many are there? 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, and as well as and potatoes also. Potatoes is equal to 6 plus 9, which is equal to 15. So now here Nancy will get it. So therefore Nancy got the tomatoes, which is equal to how many she will get? How many she will get? You need to subtract from the total. So total there are 20 are there. Out of 20, you need to subtract 12. You will get 8 tomatoes, and as well as potatoes also. Potatoes is equal to, out of 18, they got 15, so 3. So therefore, Nancy got 8 tomatoes and 3 potatoes. Clear, my dears? And here they given one more question, that is you need to circle that. Circle Abu Bakr share with blue color, and Srija's share you should circle with yellow. Means you need to 4 tomatoes with blue color, and as well as 6 potatoes in blue color, and as well as 8 tomatoes in yellow color and 9 potatoes in yellow color. You need to circle in your textbook and okay, complete this work. Now coming to the next page, here there is a game. Who colored the circle first? Okay, this is a game for 4 people. Now we will not do in this. Okay, this we will discuss after school reopen. Right, my dears? Now coming to the card puzzle. Here is a puzzle they given. Observe that there is a puzzle here in the page number 60. The card puzzle. Look carefully at the picture and get ready to answer 4 questions. Ready? Now observe here. Here there is a 4 squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are there. A, B, C they did with some part with a black color, and D they did not do anything. Okay. Now based on this, you have some questions in the next page. So we are going to discuss now that. This is clear now. Now, children, observe that the card puzzle. Now, they given 4 different types of 4 squares they given. Out of those 4 squares, A, B, C they filled with 1/4 part. By observing, you will get 1/4 part will be shaded with black color, and D they did not do anything. Clear? Now, based on these 4 squares, they given some questions in the next page. That is page number 61. Now, I am going to read the first question. See that. Divide the white area in square A into 2 equal parts. Here, see this here. This is the shaded part. Unshaded part is white color. Okay. This white color we are going to divide into 2 equal parts. Okay. Did you get the answer? What was easy? Was that easy? Now do the second question. Did you get it? Now see this here. How I am going to solve this problem. We need to divide this white part into 2 parts, 2 equal parts, by drawing one line. Okay. Now see this here. Just I am joining this part. Now see this here. These 2 are equal share. Is this clear, my dears? Did you understand that? Did you understand? Clear? So now here, this is this white part is 1/2 part, 1/2 part. Both are equal in share. So like that, like this, you need to divide B square, C square, D square into the based on whatever they are asking the questions. So B square you need to divide into 3 equal parts. You can use any number of lines. Clear? And coming to 3.1, third question, divide the white area in square C into 4 equal parts. And as coming to the divide the white area in square D into 7 equal parts. Is this clear, my dears? So complete these 2 question number 2, 3, 4 in your notebook as a homework. Now let us move to the guess and check. Okay, that we are going to discuss now. So in guess and check, they given some picture here, and they did one part as a colored. Clear? Observe here in the page number 61. See, look at here. Guess and check. A1. What part of each shape is colored? First guess the answer, then you have to check that. Okay? How to guess the answer here? By seeing that. How to guess the answer here? Now you have to see the first one, first picture. See this here. They given one shape. In that only one part is shaded. What is the part of that one? Okay. Total how many parts are there? Out of one part only they colored with blue color. So total how many parts are there? We need to define first of all. Now you have to see this here. I am going to solve the problem. Guess and check. In guess and check, now see this here. I am going to draw the figure. Now in this part is shaded. Clear? This part is shaded. So now they are asking that you have to guess that. Did you anyone? Right. This is a 1/8 part. 1/8 part is shaded. Is shaded. How can you know that? How can you guess that? Just from these corners you join with the center. Just join with centers. Then you just count how many are there, how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. Out of 8, one part is shaded. That is 1/8 part will be shaded in the first figure. In the same way, second picture, third picture, fourth picture, you have to divide into equal parts. With pencil you need to divide this. Okay, then you will get the part. Now second one, it is a 1/6 part, means divide this rectangle into 6 equal parts. Okay, and coming to here, it will become 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 9. Here 3, this part will be, this square is divided into 9 equal squares, 9 parts. Okay, drawing a line like this and draw the standing lines. 2 sleeping lines, 2 standing lines. You will get 9 squares. Now coming to fourth one also, you should divide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Means 5, 1, 2, 3. Totally 15 parts. Should divide this fourth rectangle, this fourth picture, divide into 15 equal parts. Means 15 squares you will get. Okay, how many in that? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded. Is it clear, my dears? Complete this one as a homework. Now coming to B bit. Now, do you remember this picture? Look at the small triangle. What part of the square is it? How will you find this out? You please think about this B1 also. Okay, this B1 also you have to think about. Read the question. Think about that. Complete the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. No problem. I'll explain to you. Now coming to the colored parts. This we are going to discuss now. The page number 62, we are going to discuss colored parts. It's clear, my dears? Now, did you understand up to now whatever we discussed? Yes. Okay? Now, children, colored parts. Here they given 4 circles. Okay? They divide into some parts. Now see this here. The first one, they divide into 2 equal parts. Okay? Out of in that one part will be, that means 1/2 part is the blue color. In the first one, they given only one blank. That is, they given description also here. This circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of 1/2, out of 2 equal parts. Out of 2 equal parts, they divide into two equal parts. Out of two equal parts, one part is colored with blue. Is clear that there are totally two parts are there. Out of two equal parts, one part will be blue color. Here they given the question, here they given the answer also. Now coming to second one. Now here the circle is divided into how many parts? How many equal parts? First blank is 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 by 4 parts are colored blue. One part means 2 parts. That is 2 parts. 2 parts they colored with blue. Clear? The same way for third one, we need to write the description totally. Here the circle. Here the circle is divided into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. Okay. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 parts they colored with 3 parts they colored with blue. Is this clear, my dears? So like this you need to write the description for fourth circle also. Here they divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Out of 8 equal parts, 4 parts are colored with blue. Clear, my dears? Did you understand that? Here they divide into 2 equal parts. Out of 2 equal parts, 1 part will become blue. Now coming to second circle, they divide into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 parts colored with blue. Now coming to C beta, here the circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 parts they colored with blue. Did you understand here, my dears? Very good. Now, so fourth one you need to complete, and in the down there is a, you need to write the blanks also. So we can say that 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, all are equivalent fractions. Write the equivalent fraction for the given this blanks also. This is clear, my dears? Right. So now here, so 2 by 4th part here, and 1 part means 1 by 2 parts. Now for 3 by 6 parts. Okay, 3 by 6 parts they colored with blue. Now coming to, you need to complete fourth one also. Clear? And complete this equivalent fraction also, the page number 62. Clear, my dears? Now next one is cutting halwa. We will discuss now. Now children, let us discuss cutting halwa is a story. Okay, based on the story, you will bring some blanks are there. We are going to complete now. So now see this. I am going to read the story. Please listen carefully. Cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Ammu and Anu. Okay, Ramesh is the father. He has 2 children. One is Ammu and another one is Anu. Okay, he bought halwa for them. Right now, he divided to equal for them. He is going to divide the halwa into parts, equal parts to both the people. Now, first one is each will get dash part of halwa. First one is, first star is each will get dash part of halwa. So how many parts he is going to get? First of all, he divide into 2 parts. That is 1 by 2 part. 1 by 2 part of halwa they will get. Now coming to the, so after cutting that halwa into two parts, okay, what they said here? The people said that this piece is too big. We can't eat it. They said. So Ramesh bought some halwa. Okay, in that he divided two equal parts and he gave to his children. His children says that, so this is a too big, we cannot eat. They said that. So now what he said? Now, so he divided the piece into half again. Okay. Now, how many pieces will Ammu get here? Okay. Second one is how many pieces? So now, after dividing that into again 1/2 parts, so Ammu will get how many? Ammu will get in the first part, in the first question, Ammu will get one part and thus Anu will get one part only. So this one part again he divided into equal halves. So here Ammu will get how many pieces? They are asking that how many pieces will Ammu get? Ammu will get 2 pieces. Clear? 2 pieces she will get. The remaining 2 pieces Anu will get. Now, what part of the halwa was it? Now, what part? So, what part they are asking that? What part means here, which is equal to, out of 4 equal parts, she got 2/4, which is nothing but 1/2. Clear? Now, 1/2 part. 1/2 part, Ammu got. Now, make it even smaller than they asked. Even they did not able to eat that. So, they asked the father, Dad, please make it even smaller. Okay. Again, what he is going to do? So he is again cut the halwa into smaller pieces. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Dad. They said that. So first one is 1 piece. They divide into half. That is 2 parts. They got 2 pieces. Again 2 pieces. They divide into equal parts. They got 4 pieces. In the third case. In the fourth one, again they divide into each piece into 2 parts, 2 equal parts. Totally they got 8 pieces. So now based on this, they are asking some questions. Now how many pieces will each get here? Okay. Now the third question, the page number 64, third star. Okay. So see this here. How many pieces will each get? So each will get how many pieces here? Each will get 4 pieces. Each will get 4 pieces. What part of the halwa is each piece now? Now fourth one is, see this here. Finally they divide into 8 equal pieces. Okay? They are asking that what part of the halwa in each piece? Okay? Each piece is 1/8 part. Is this clear, my dear sir? Is it 1/8 part? Now, if Ramesh, so up to there completed. Now coming to there, asking one more question. If Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal parts, how many pieces would each have got? So whatever the halwa, Ramesh divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, each one will get how many pieces? Can anyone? Right. Each one will get 3 pieces. Look at the answer for question 1 to 4 and write here. So now here there are totally 4 questions are there. See this is what we got here. 1/2. Write the equivalent fractions. 2/4, 3/6, and as 4/8 and 5/10. Is this clear, my dears? 1 to 4 questions here only. You just complete that one. Complete, my dears. Now. Is this clear, my dears? Is this clear, everyone? Cutting halwa? Right. Right, children. I hope you understood that today whatever we discussed. Clear? So now today's homework is first one is the card puzzle, page number 60. Okay, in that there are 4 squares are there. Whatever they are asking the questions based on the page number 61, that green color, you please complete that. In that A bit I completed, B, C, D you need to complete in your classwork. Now coming to the second one, guess and check. In the page number 61, Okay, here they given some different types of figures they given. First one I did, still there are three more figures are there. You need to complete. First of all, you need to guess and you need to write the correct answer. Okay, both. The third one is colored parts, circles. Clear? Three circles already I did. Only fourth circle is there. And complete the fourth circle and write down the equivalent fraction about the whatever they given blank. Coming to fourth one, cutting halwa. Already I completed major part. Only last part you need to complete that. Okay, complete the blanks in yellow color. Cutting halwa in the last they given one yellow box. Clear? You need to write the all these whatever you got the blanks. You please write down in the blank place. Okay, na? Is this clear, my dears? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.